Kasorkar Jylla hakasiba arjun katayo kalapalaj ba ya kejenja mission ni commission tungsing hakajalla kabalamang ban penlut hadu sispa arpawai Klur tengka bat ya kini commission lawan ra dakathong ban la kentiu ya kejing pinmi sing kabankot hadu enreu pawajar metric ton saka iwai point sanlak metric ton hakasisnem Yakini Commission lapalaj ba do Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ukon rat kongkal sangma bat labu thong bahadu san pawajar ngut kipat nongrep kinyo jimentoy bat ke jaka bantung ing kan kiu nakasipa wajar hektar jaka khatar hajar san spa hektar hak Jylla barok kawai Haba pelaj yakini Commission ukon rat ulong bada ke jingwan Commission lakmi lenti ba ke Jylla Meghalaya kandai ke Jylla ke balai nakibala ban pinmi buon using ke ban long tang hakini kelais nam banwan Ulong bakum ke sorkar kala sungtu bahadu enyau pau nakasispa nakinong song ke Jylla kidai ke bedon benta haki kamrep bat kedai ke bakongsan ya ke sorkar ban wan ra Commission baper ban la kan tiu ya ke yok kod jong kinong rep Uong ba using makir ubade using ubalong dawai bat ubami bha ha ke Jylla undairu ujait sing uban sakentiu bha ya ke jengpin mi ha ke ni commission
Kitan serta walanga shong ha iengra Ngam judan jengku slai dan siem kasokin jai
So what we're doing today is number one, we're increasing and improving, getting the Mahima, the Varada and the other varieties that are there. And we're hopeful that we are also going to have the variety of the Ingmakir variety, which is highly medicinal variety. Should also be promoted because it's a local and it's got medicinal value. So therefore, we realized that we need to start off first by ensuring that the seeds are given. So my friends, our journey starts today. I hope none of you think that this is what the mission is and it gets over. Absolutely not. This is where it begins. We are going to first address the issue of the seeds, the variety. We are going to target 10,000 farmers this year, and through the next 3 years, we will try to touch the 40,000 farmers that we target to. We are at 65,000 metric tons of production. I hope that we will be able to touch 150,000 by the end of this mission that we're going to complete, which is approximately about 121 crores has been earmarked for this in the span of next 3 years. And as was mentioned, that Kerala is at 2 lakh metric tons, Assam is at 1.6 lakh metric tons. We are today number 6 in the country. We hope that we will be able to touch and become the third largest, which is 1.5 lakhs metric ton by the end of the mission that is going to be completed in terms of the seeds and different varieties that are going to be given.